How to make a logo in Canva. If you'd like to make a logo in Canva, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do to make a logo is, first of all, just open up your browser and go to canva.com, and whether you have a free account or a paid account, it's very simple to create a logo. In the search bar, just type in logo and then just hit the search button. You'll find different templates where you have different type of logos available. So just choose a logo that maybe fits your type of style, right? And some of these could be paid, some of these could be free, and select customize a template. Now you can just customize the same logo to your liking. So you can choose whatever type of font it is, whatever type of, let's say, street logo it is, and so on. So you could go ahead and then just type in the logo like this, and then also go ahead and then type in your style, and then you can change the colors and so on. And once you've done that, you'll have a logo ready with you. This way you'll be able to basically make a logo in Canva just by using some of the free templates that are available. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.